Morning, folks. So I was out here Thursday last week, and the TMP, which is somewhere on the other side of the house, was blowing off pretty hard. So I came out here to check it out, called the manufacturer. It's a Polaris water heater, and I guess it's an American water heater, the brand American, I think, and A.O. Smith has some kind of involvement with it. I'm not sure, but they still make these, and it's a 50 gal, and apparently, I did not know this is the best and longest lasting water heater that you can buy on the market right now, because the interior, the tank that holds the water is stainless steel. And the warranty on this is 15 years. Isn't that crazy? So, not going to replace it. However, spoke to the tech, and he recommended I do a few things, which I actually already knew to do. And I had, before I even spoke to him, I was like, all right, this is what we got to do. But as you can see, you got a recirc pump here. And if you look closely, there's a check valve here, but this is tying back in to the cold main that feeds the water heater. This is the cold, and it feeds it back into the water heater. There's no check valve on this. So basically, you got a pump that's running much harder than it needs to be. So we're going to put a check valve on the cold here, as well as a expansion tank, 5 gal. I'll mount it right here. The guy that I spoke to also said to replace the TMP, which you cannot find those. I had a special order. It's $180. It's not blowing off any longer, but he said you may want to just keep one on hand in case it starts acting up. But also, he said to check the old PRV, and I did, and it's no longer functioning. So we're going to replace that, and also you can see you have a relief valve there. That's a California thing, having a relief valve on the water main. We're going to put a new relief valve, but we're going to redo that copper and put in a hose bib so we can test the water pressure from there. Do it properly, because it's really not. You want to have a relief valve and a hose bib there after the PRV so you can test the water pressure. So that is our job for today. Had to use a bit of persuasion there with the old Sawzall. Whoever installed this, you can see that they probably had to cut that because it's not a double union PRV, and I specifically got a double union PRV, so they don't have to cut this in the future. All right, let's keep. That was really hard to unsweat, man. Whew. Dang. Huh. All right. It's going to be hard to solder that, too. I didn't really think ahead. I think I can get it, dude. Though. Sometimes I wish I could just film everything. So I made the decision that I'm going to unthread this so I can sweat that, because I just don't want any issues. And I just caused myself extra work because you got this 10,000 pound boulder here that I cannot move. I literally cannot move it. Tried with a shovel. And the reason I had to move it is because this ball valve, which I bent it, is in the way. I can't open it or close it. And I have to shut off this one right here, which this is the house main. This is for, I guess this is a hydraulic sprinkler system. I don't know. But I'm just trying to close this, and I've already started to cut it. I was like, wait, dude. All right, let me just. I'm gonna check back in with you once I get this set up. Look at this. Look at this. There's no water main, dude. Literally. I went out here. Look. I don't know if it doesn't work or what, but you would think that's the water main, right? Nope. Okay, no problem. Go over here. This is the mailbox for the house. Turn these off. Still going. I literally have no idea. So the tenant's calling the city or whoever. There's literally no water main anywhere. I mean, what the heck, dude? I can't turn off the water. This is crazy. Absolutely crazy. All right, I'm gonna cut it live. The tenant's on the phone with the emergency water shutoff line for whatever. We're out in Malibu, so everything's a little different out here. So I want to put the ProPress in here. I'm gonna get a little suit on. I'm just gonna cut it live and do it. Press it. Okay, we got the ProPress in the bag. Okay, I've never done this before, but this is the first time for everything. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall. This is a waterproof suit. There you go. It's crooked, but it's on there. You gotta be kidding me. I mean, really. That is wild. I'm sure you didn't see it because of the water. Got the camera lens, but I am soaked. ProPress got just a little bit wet, but not bad. This saved me from getting ultra drenched because these Tyveks are waterproof. You gotta be kidding me, bro. That's I don't know if you if you saw me run. I thought that was 3/4, 1 inch. It's friggin' 1 inch, dude. Oh, man, it's freaking 1 inch. So I ran back to the truck, but the whoever services this area water-wise is coming out right now. There's the 3/4 ball valve. It still works. Still works. All right. Well, that's that. You looking for the water? Okay, all the neighbors are out there, and they're all trying to figure out, well, this meter's mine. Oh, that's not mine? Oh, no, this meter's mine. Oh, but wait, that meter's mine. So basically what's happening is I've just spent like 30 minutes explaining. They're like, wait, but what does that go to? The guy was like, so what water does that feed? I was like, oh, well, that's actually gas. And he's like, oh, okay, so that's gas. So I'm sitting here like explaining. But anyway, the city's coming out, and yeah, the city's coming out. So what a freaking nightmare. City's coming out, and they're going to show me what meter turns this off. And yeah, good thing I pressed that ball valve on there, dude, because the guy from the city, he's been here like 20 minutes and he can't find the meter either. So I'm not messing with soldering right now. I'm gonna pro press this, get this done really quick. I'm so freaking fast with pro press, it's not even funny. I mean, I am so fast with pro press. Got some reducers. Is what it is. 1.25 inch. I stock all this stuff on the truck. So we're gonna knock this out real quick. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, it's a little big, but I'm just working with what I got here. I should have, if I had them, I would have used the reducers that go into the fitting, but I don't have any of them. But you got your relief, your hose bib, and then it goes into the house. We got the guy is he's still out here trying to figure out where the meter is. I heard him calling. Oh, I need to turn those off. I heard him calling his supervisors, and there he is right there. They can't find it. He said there was a work order that was made like I don't know, like a month ago or something, and he said that it wasn't closed out because they couldn't find the meter. All right, there you go. Now I just gotta, I wish I would have gotten that on there straight, but whatever, it is what it is. You can't find it. Any luck? Oh, is that it? Oh, nice. You found it.
I got a little more digging to do around it. That thing was like clay. There was like asphalt over it.
I got a chipping hammer. If you want to use my chipping hammer?
I'm already there.
Okay. All right.
But,
okay. Cool, man. Cool.
I'm glad you were able to get a plug on that before. This wasn't gonna.
Yeah, bro.
Fast, man. I got lucky and I found it on the Google satellite images from like 2009.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I saw that you could kind of like see it right here. I was like, shit, that's it right there. And yeah, hasn't seen the light of day in a while, so.
All right, cool, man. Well, okay. I'll yeah.
I'm gonna mark it out for you guys.
Okay. Thanks, dude.
That'd be great, man.
Oh, it's okay. It's just a regular.
Yeah, it's a regular straight
Okay.
stop. So.
Yeah, I can ask Lynn. She's cool. She's not gonna. Just yeah, you can go in here and go to the
You
bathroom.
know what? Don't worry about it. I'll take a little drive and then I'll just be back in about 15.
Okay. All right, that works.
Yeah,
30.
Working too hard on a Monday, man.
Yeah,
I
no.
didn't think I was gonna break a sweat today.
All right. So we know for sure that's the meter
Yes,
for
sir.
future. Is it pretty hard? Looks like you're.
No, not at all.
You're just going real slow.
It's just my little key won't grab it.
I got you.
Yeah, you gotta charge these things slow so you don't get no air in there.
Yep. There it goes. All right, no leaks.
Oh.
Hey, blue dude. Hey, cute boy. Ah, it's Blue. His name's Blue. B-L-E-U. Blue dude. He's a cute little guy. Right, Blue? Right, Blue dude? Okay, we're done here. I am going to speak to the owners. We're going to redo this copper. Put in new ball valves, just redo it all. Move this boulder, dig down, and yeah, they're gonna approve it. So I'm just discombobulated. I gotta get the heck out of here, dude. That was way too much. So I'm gonna leave this stuff for the whatchamacallit, water heater. So we're gonna I'm gonna put this on the floor, put it like that. Got the bracket right there. I got the check valve. So basically I'm gonna put a T right here, check valve right here, and then come off the T and use a flex supply. So we'll do that when I come back to do that main. All right, that's all.